how to join Plants versus Brainrots Discord server. So guys, let's type in the name of this server. So it's going to be Plants versus Brainrots, but not the script. Type in Discord. Alright, this is our channel. You just click on it and make sure that you have your Discord account ready so that we can easily log in. So as you can see, you can just join as a guest or you can just join with your account. It's up to you. If you want to join with the account, you go to the discord.com like this, and then you press on login, and this way you will log in. So you press on here. So you open this up and you just join with your account, and this way you will log in with your account. If not, you just type in your name as a guest, choose your date of birth in here, should be 18 years old, and create an account. Pass the captcha. Alright, and from here, as you can see, you're now joined. That's it guys, enjoy the channel. If this video helped, like and subscribe.